What if I told you there's a simple planting trick that can double your tomato harvest? Let's do it the smart way. First, make sure you plant tomatoes only when the temperature is above 15°C and there's no risk of frost. Choose loose, fertile soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH, around 6 to 7. Now, dig a deep hole, about 25 cm. Tomatoes don't like shallow planting. Here's the secret mix. Add a small pinch of wood ash for potassium, it helps with better fruiting. Sprinkle a bit of coffee grounds for nitrogen to boost growth. Then add finely chopped banana peel for extra potassium and micronutrients. But don't place the roots directly on these, cover them with a thin layer of soil first. Pour some water into the hole to encourage deep root growth. Remove the lower leaves from your seedling, then place it slightly tilted, not straight up. Now cover the stem and roots with soil. Tomatoes can grow roots along the buried stem, which means stronger plants and bigger yields. Press the soil gently to remove air pockets and water only at the base, keep the leaves dry.